DNA polymerases, structural and functional properties. General features, common to all DNA polymerases. Template dependent, cannot start de novo. Require a primer with free 3O. Catalyze 5 rightward arrow 3 DNA synthesis. Use DNTPS plus Mg superscript 2 ions. Many have 3 rightward arrow 5 exonuclease, proofreading, activity. Prokaryotic DNA polymerases, E. coli model. Major DNA polymerases. Polymerase. Main role. DNA Pol I. Primer removal and repair. DNA Pol II. DNA repair. DNA Pol III. Main replicative enzyme. Pol IV and V. Translocation synthesis, SOS response. Structural properties, prokaryotic DNA polymerases. A DNA polymerase I. Single polypeptide, 103 keta. 3 functional domains. Polymerase domain. 3 rightward arrow 5 exonuclease domain. 5 rightward arrow 3 exonuclease domain, unique feature. Classic right-hand structure. Fingers. Palm, catalytic site. Thumb, DNA binding. bDNA polymerase 3, main enzyme. Multi-subunit enzyme, 900 keta hollow enzyme. Core enzyme. Alpha subunit, polymerase activity. Epsilon subunit, 3 rightward arrow 5 exonuclease. Theta subunit, stabilizes epsilon. Beta clamp. Ring-shaped sliding clamp. Increases processivity. Clamp loader complex, gamma, delta, delta, chi, psi. Structurally, Pol III is highly complex and asymmetric rightward arrow suited for leading and lagging strand synthesis simultaneously. Functional properties, prokaryotic DNA polymerases. DNA polymerase I. Removes RNA primers via 5 rightward arrow 3 exonuclease. Fills gaps with DNA. DNA repair, NIC translation. Low processivity. Not involved in bulk DNA synthesis. DNA polymerase 3. Primary replicative enzyme. Extremely high processivity, 10 NT without dissociation. High fidelity, proofreading. Works on both strands. Continuous on leading strand. Discontinuous on lagging strand. Eukaryotic DNA polymerases. Major polymerases. Polymerase. Function. Pol alpha. Primer synthesis. Pol delta. Lagging strand synthesis. Pol epsilon. Leading strand synthesis. Pol beta. Base excision repair. Pol gamma. Mitochondrial DNA. Pol eta, kappa, zeta. DNA damage tolerance. Structural properties, eukaryotic DNA polymerases. A DNA polymerase alpha. Multi-subunit complex. Associated with primase. Lacks proofreading activity. Cannot synthesize long DNA stretches. bDNA polymerase delta and epsilon. Multi-subunit enzymes. Possess 3 rightward arrow 5 exonuclease. Interact with PCNA, sliding clamp. Functional analog of beta clamp. Right-hand structural motif conserved. cDNA polymerase beta. Small, single subunit. No exonuclease activity. Specialized repair enzyme. Functional properties, eukaryotic DNA polymerases. DNA polymerase alpha. Initiates replication. Synthesizes 10 RNA nucleotides. 20, 30 DNA nucleotides. Hands over to Pol delta/epsilon. DNA polymerase delta. Lagging strand synthesis. Extends Okazaki fragments. High processivity with PCNA. DNA polymerase epsilon. Leading strand synthesis. High fidelity. Essential for replication fork progression. DNA polymerase beta. Base excision repair. Gap filling after damaged base removal. Comparative summary. Feature. Prokaryotic. Eukaryotic. Number of polymerases. Few, I, V. Many, greater than 15. Main replicative enzyme. Pol III. Pol delta and epsilon. Primer removal. Pol I, 5 rightward arrow 3 exo. RNase H plus Fen1. Sliding clamp. Beta clamp. PCNA. Proofreading. Pol I, 2, 3. Pol delta, epsilon. Replication speed. Faster. Slower. Complexity. Moderate. Highly complex. Key exam takeaways. 5 rightward arrow 3 exonuclease rightward arrow only Pol I, prokaryotes. Beta clamp PCNA. Pol III Pol delta plus Pol epsilon. Pol alpha lacks proofreading. Eukaryotes separate functions among many polymerases.